The life you love is waiting for you to twist the throttle and claim it. Stop idling in a holding pattern and choose to love the life you live right now, out here on the open road. Every challenging mile strips away the noise, making room for massive self-growth and forging an unbreakable brotherhood built on shared grit. The journey is the meaning. The roar of the engine is pure freedom. Stop waiting and start riding the adventure that defines you. Join us on a Vietnam motorbike adventure in 2026 with Vietnam Motorbike Tours.